Welcome to rail transportation. In Canada, there are two major railways, the Canadian Pacific Railway, CPR, and the Canadian National Railway, CN Rail. The federal government regulates Canadian national railways through the Canadian Transportation Act. The commodities carried on rail are usually bulk items or containers for ocean freight or large-scale items that require fast transport over a great distance in a large quantity. Listed below are all of the different commodities that you can find loaded onto rail cars. A boxcar is a rail car that is enclosed and generally carries general freight. This is the most versatile car design as it can carry most loads. A gondola is an open-top type of rolling stock that's used to carry loose or bulk materials. A hopper car is used to transport loose bulk commodities such as coal or grain or track ballast. It distinguishes itself from a gondola car in that it has opening doors on the underside or on the side to discharge its cargo. An automobile car is used to transport new automobiles from the factory to the market. A flat car consists of an open flat deck on a pair of trucks or bogies. The deck of the car can be wood or steel, and the sides of the deck can include pockets for stakes or tie-down points to secure the loads. This is designed to carry loads that are too large or cumbersome to load onto enclosed cars. Center beam flat cars are specially designed for the lumber industry and transporting logs. A depressed flat car is used for transporting mining equipment. A tank car is used for transporting liquids. An example of using the rail for multimodal transportation is a COFC, or container on flat car. This is when an ocean container is loaded onto a flat car and then moved via the rail to the destination or to the port. A trailer on flat car, or TOFC, is the same as a COFC. The only difference is that instead of an ocean container moving on a flat car, it is a complete trailer unit. Although Canada is known for having two major railways, there are still smaller independent railways. These are often referred to as short lines. Despite their small size, these railways are still very important to the country, servicing regional needs. They could be considered feeder railways to CN and CP operating independently from them. Again, short line railways are considered feeder railways. Domestic pool car service can be considered the freight forwarder of the railway world. They assemble or pool individual shipments into carloads for one destination. They then present a total cost to the shipping public and accept the liability from the point of pickup to the point of delivery. Some advantages with moving with the rail are the rail transportation is ideal for large shipments and is widely used within Canada, the US, and Mexico when the volume or the weight of the shipment is too large to justify the use of any other mode. Rail transportation offers definite advantages to exporters of bulk products, such as lower freight rates, capacity to handle such loads, and simpler documentation. And lastly, there is a wide variety of rail cars available to meet the individual requirements of the exporter. Some disadvantages of rail transportation is rail transportation can be slow. Some movements still take up to 3 times longer than by truck. There's also frequent shunting and switching, which exposes shipments to impact and damage. It is also very inflexible. Rail shipments must move from a rail yard to a rail yard.